Download your statement of account using the Bajaj Finserv app with these simple steps. Log in with your registered mobile number and enter the OTP sent to you. Click on My Account at the bottom right of the screen. Under My Relations, you can see all your loans. Click on the loan for which you wish to see the statement. If you have multiple loans, please click on View All to access them and then select the loan for which you want the statement of account. Under Things you can do, click on View Statement. Click on Statement of Account to view your statement in the app itself. Once the statement is open, you can simply view it in the app itself without having to download it. You can also download it by clicking on the download icon, or you can click on the share icon to share it with someone trusted. Click on the download successful notification to view the SOA in your phone's library. Check out the next video to know the main components of your statement of account.